Can you believe it? Tyler and I have done 250 episodes of Into the Fray. Thank you very much for watching. Wow, it sounds like I'm done, but I'm not. We are just getting started. After 250 episodes, I love the comments, I love the interaction, and I want to ask you again, tell me what you want to see on Into the Fray. We've done this 250 times. That's 250 consecutive weeks that we've been putting together Into the Fray. And your input is invaluable. I hope that we've given you stuff that you enjoy, but really, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments what you want to hear. Send us emails, send us notes, just get a hold of us. We want to make sure that this is valuable training for everybody who watches these videos. I'm Kevin Michalowski. This is Into the Fray 250. Can you believe it? 250 consecutive times. Let us know what's happening. Give us your input, and please subscribe to this page. It'll give you more great information every week.